King's Man, a prequel to the popular Kingsman film series, delves into the origins of the secret spy organization set against the backdrop of World War I. The movie is known for its action sequences, period settings, and stylish visual effects, VFX, that elevate the storytelling. Here's a look at how VFX plays a crucial role in The King's Man. The VFX team in The King's Man had the formidable task of recreating the early 20th century, capturing the essence of World War I battlefields, period-accurate cities, and iconic landmarks. This included detailed digital reconstructions of places like London and various European war zones. These digital environments blend seamlessly with practical sets, transporting audiences back in time and immersing them in the historical context. One of the hallmarks of the Kingsman series is its stylized action sequences, and The King's Man is no exception. VFX plays a pivotal role in choreographing and executing these dynamic scenes. From intricate fight choreography enhanced with CGI to large-scale battle scenes with explosions, gunfire, and other pyrotechnics, VFX ensures that every action moment is visually spectacular and thrilling. In addition to the action and settings, VFX is used to enhance characters and their performances. This includes digitally augmenting stunts, adding visual effects to weaponry, and even creating entirely CGI characters for certain scenes. For instance, Rasputin, one of the film's antagonists, features enhanced physical abilities and visually striking effects that highlight his mystical persona. The film maintains the signature stylized visuals of the Kingsman series, characterized by sleek, often exaggerated imagery. VFX contributes to this style by adding flair to the cinematography, whether through slow-motion sequences, dramatic camera movements, or visually striking transitions. These elements not only make the film visually appealing, but also distinctive in its aesthetic. VFX also allows for creative storytelling techniques. This includes dream sequences, hallucinations, and other visually inventive moments that add depth and intrigue to the plot. These artistic flourishes provide insight into the characters' inner worlds and enhance the overall narrative experience. In conclusion, the VFX in The King's Man is instrumental in bringing the film's ambitious vision to life. From historical reconstructions and thrilling action sequences to character enhancements and stylized visuals, the VFX work seamlessly integrates with the live action footage, creating a captivating and visually stunning film. The VFX team's efforts ensure that The King's Man not only serves as an exciting prequel, but also stands out as a visually remarkable entry in the Kingsman franchise.